Good morning, my dear students of Science Communication and Semester 4. I hope all of you are in fine health along with your close family members and dear ones. Okay. Tough times never last, but only tough men and women do last in life. Okay. Besides, good times or bad times, it will never last forever. It would have been better if good times would have lasted forever, but that doesn't happen. So similarly, bad times anyway also never last for a long time. So these things will go away very soon. So till that time, have patience. In your feedback, which is collected by the HOD sometime back, around 10-15 days back, many of you have expressed some concern about the way the exam will be conducted. So I have initiated this video lecture to give you an example of idea of how the exam will be conducted in this particular course, that is Science Communication. Your test 1 was completed. That I think I have shown you the marks also and corrections. Midterm could not be held, so instead of midterm, I have given you 2 assignments. If I remember correctly, they were on COVID-19 and superstitious beliefs, as well as solar eclipse probably. Fine. So some of you have given and some of you are yet to give it, but I hope you will be giving it before the deadline is over. For test 3, I have given you 2 assignments. One is, if I remember correctly, one is on the menace of liquor industry and the menace of tobacco industry in India. Combined, both of them will have 25 marks. I will divide the marks accordingly. That will be instead of test 3, 25 marks. Okay. And usually midterm is for 40 marks, but because of difficulties in conducting classes, we are, at least in my paper, I am taking 30 marks for midterm, 2 assignments. The additional 10 marks which were left out here, that will be added to your end semester exam. That is 60. Normally it happens, it is held for 60 marks, but here it will be for 70 marks. This 10 additional will be added here. For end semester, the written exam, there will be 2 questions of 15 marks each, that will make it 30, and there will be 4 questions of 10 marks each, which will make it 40. So 40 plus 30, it will be 70. And for 15 marks questions, you will be expected to write just about 400 words. It's not necessary that it has to be exactly 400, because you don't need to, I don't want you to waste your precious time calculating what the number of words you have written. It may be slightly 10-20 words, 20-30 also words less, or maybe more than 400. That's not an issue. But it should be around 400. It should be too less or too bulky. Similarly, for 10 marks questions, the standard word limit will be 300 words per question. Okay. There also, not that it has to be exactly 300. It may be slightly 10-20 more, 10-20 words more or less, but it shouldn't be too less or too bulky. Okay. And for syllabus, till March, when the lockdown has started, till your midterm, whatever we have discussed face to face and whatever we have shown, whatever we could have visited, all those things will be there, and the video lectures. Plus, if I remember correctly, I have given some write-ups on health communication, cinema as health communication, fake news, infodemic, information, misinformation, etc. And I think I have given you some study materials for which were written for correspondence courses by myself for our university, which are much to the point with your syllabus. Read all of those, and the questions will be coming only from those things which we have discussed, and the study materials which we have I have provided at least. Okay, nothing which was not discussed will not be asked. Another thing is, another important thing is that as you are media students and science communication is a universal activity, and it has to be connected to all necessary developments in the society and the political situations. some of the questions will be connected directly or indirectly to happenings, international or national or state level, major happenings or current affairs which have happened last in the 2-3 months, last in about 2-3 months, and till about 10-15 days before your exam has started. Okay, clear? So let me rewind it again. Test 1 is done, so don't worry. For test 3, you have given assignments on the menace of liquor and tobacco industry already to me, that both of them will carry 25 marks. Okay, both of them will carry 25 marks. Out of them, I will give marks accordingly. For midterm, which is usually for 40 marks, but we are having it for 30 marks. I have given you assignment on COVID-19 and COVID-19 situation, and I think superstition. That will carry 15 into 2, 30 marks. And the additional 10 marks which is left here, that will be added to the end semester exam. That will make it 60 plus 10, 70. So here you will have 2 questions of 15 marks, that will make it 30, and 4 questions of 10 marks, that will make it 40. So total is 70. For 10 marks questions, you will be expected to write just about 300 words, and for 15 marks, you will be expected to write about 400 words, approximately. Syllabus will be which we have covered, whatever we have covered in the face-to-face discussions before lockdown has started, and the e-lectures, video lectures, plus the study materials which I have sent to you, and including my write-ups as well as the hard copy or soft copy which was given earlier during the face-to-face period about the science communication study materials from CODL, Open and Distance Learning mode. Questions will be asked only from those things. And you can expect that some of the questions will be connected to major current affairs activities at international, national and state level. Okay, so you'll have to connect them to your answers. And again, as far as possible, I insist, give as many examples, as many relevant examples as you can, so that your answer is made more worthy and more realistic. Okay, so this is all. Even if you have any clarifications to be made or doubts to clarify, you can call me or give me a message either in WhatsApp or in my email. Okay, so best of luck, and don't worry much about it. Keep your mind open and free from any anxieties or worries. I mean, as you have seen, no unnatural power like God or anyone will come to help you out. Ultimately, it is your family, your close family members, as well as your relatives, friends, and we will try to help you as much as possible in these difficult times. Okay, so keep faith in yourself and be patient. Best of luck. Thank you.